What's up? It's Tyler from EB Studios. We probably can't see this, it's really fucking dark. Oh no, that's gonna be bad. Oh shit. It's over. So I'm back with another vlog.
Did you record that?
I did actually.
Can you send that to me?
Daily vlogs. I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's your YouTube channel?
It's EP Studios. But anyway. Wow, weak much? Nah, spinny, swag. Yeah. But anyway. It's 4th of July and it's dark as dicks. But, so, fireworks and such. You know, whatever. So. They're all legal. We got a few mortars, but
I hope nobody saw
whatever.
that. Yeah, but the Rangers, dude.
Should we save something? Sure.
So, that's pretty much it. Alright, hit it, because I'm recording for YouTube.
You want to get a video of it?
I've got like a minute and 19 seconds already. Alright, this is how we do. Put a mortar in the tube. Tubey tube. Tubey tube! Yeah. So we're gonna
Okay, you ready? Yeah. So light them up.
get her done.
How much are those things? $20 a piece or $5 a piece?
Maybe.
Well,
There we go.
Alright, you're getting it.
Oh yeah. And whee! Fucking purdy. Alright, that's it. Happy 4th of July, America. You know,
so now that would be
our
like
victory over the Brits. See you later, and we end with this. Joyful. See you later.